Okay. It's good. We're good. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Chiropractors taking care of chiropractors. Amazing.
My thoracic's pretty locked up because I have the S curve.
Okay.
So like to the right and the thoracic's left in the lumbar.
Go in here. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Can you drop your arms like all the way down to the ground actually and breathe in again? Breathe out. Here we go. Whew. You still here?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, how you doing so far?
That was a good one.
Yeah, you have to rip your head off, you know. Alright, I'm gonna adjust you in side posture, so if you want to lay on your side with this side up and face me here. Yeah, your neck was...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Put your hand on your elbow. Keep your leg relaxed. Just relaxed. Okay, that's better. That wasn't too bad.
That was pretty good.
It was good. That wasn't as crazy as I thought it was
this
going to be. Take a deep breath in, actually, and breathe out all the way. All right. Scoot back up this way. All right.
I knew that was
Yeah. Oh man. Okay. You're gonna have relaxing chiropractic music in the background. Everything.
So good.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It feels so light. I feel like I'm walking on a cloud.
Here, turn this way. So your
It's-
audience can see.
It's weird for me to be on the other side of this one.
So don't do anything until I say three. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, you have to do it on 3. You're going backwards this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm a terrible patient.
You are. Okay. Hold on here really tight.
Yeah.
And then on the count of 3, you're going to go back against my hand like you're knocking someone out. But hold on here. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we go.
Ooh.
These are your money makers.
Oh yeah. My favorite.
Your fingers?
Yes.
Is your favorite adjustment?
Either neck or fingers.
Okay.
Probably.
Your neck really needed that. Lean back just a little. Okay. Okay. Did we miss anything? How do you feel?
Looks good.
Kendall, did we miss anything? No, she said no. So we're good.
Okay, Shelly.